Imagine buying your dream property, only to find out later that the seller wasn't the real owner. Shocking, right? Stay tuned to learn how to protect yourself from such nightmares. Buying or selling a property is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But what happens when things go wrong? A sale deed is a crucial document that transfers property ownership from the seller to the buyer. Once registered, it's considered final. But what if you discover that the sale deed was fraudulent? This is more common than you might think. In cases of fraud, the first step is to gather all related documents and file a civil suit for cancellation under Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act, 1963. The court will review your case, and if fraud is proven, the sale deed can be cancelled. You may also be entitled to compensation. Another common issue is buying property without completing the mutation process, which updates land records to reflect the new owner. Without mutation, you could face property tax and legal ownership issues. Always ensure mutation is done immediately after registration. What if the seller refuses to sign the mutation documents? This can lead to disputes, especially if you plan to resell or develop the property. In such cases, file a petition with local land revenue authorities or approach the civil court for a direction to the seller. Sometimes, properties have undisclosed legal disputes. Imagine buying land only to find out it's embroiled in a court case or pledged to a bank. Conduct thorough due diligence before purchasing any property to ensure there are no legal disputes or encumbrances. If you discover a dispute after purchase, you can file for cancellation of the sale deed and may also sue for damages. Many people believe that a registrar can cancel a fraudulent sale deed. However, in Uttar Pradesh, the registrar does not have this power. To cancel a fraudulent or invalid sale deed, you must seek court intervention. The courts will assess the validity of your claim. If you successfully cancel a sale deed, you can claim compensation for financial losses, including the return of the sale consideration. Some buyers worry if the sale agreement can be revoked after the sale deed is registered. Once registered, the sale deed takes precedence. After a sale deed is registered, the transaction is considered complete. Issues with the sale agreement cannot invalidate the registered sale deed unless proven in court. Wondering about cancelling a will deed? You can cancel or amend your will at any time before your death by executing a deed of revocation or creating a new will. The question, is it possible to cancel a sale deed in India, has a clear answer: yes, but only through the appropriate legal channels. Stay informed and know your rights to navigate property transactions confidently. Protect yourself and ensure your rights are safeguarded.